Welcome to our guide on the top 5 gemstones for enhancing your meditation practices. We'll explore how these stones can amplify your meditation experience, bringing greater peace, clarity, and spiritual growth. Meditation is a powerful practice that can bring peace, clarity, and spiritual growth into our lives. But did you know that certain gemstones can amplify these benefits? Using gemstones in your meditation practice can help you achieve deeper states of relaxation and insight. Number 1. First on our list is amethyst. Known for its calming properties, amethyst helps to clear the mind of negative thoughts, making it easier to enter a deep meditative state. This stone is perfect for those seeking peace and tranquility during their meditation sessions. Number 2. Next, we have clear quartz, often called the master healer. This stone amplifies the energy of other stones and helps to enhance spiritual growth and awareness. Clear quartz is ideal for those looking to deepen their spiritual practice and gain greater clarity. Number 3. Selenite is a powerful cleansing and purifying stone. Its energy clears the mind of clutter and negative thoughts, allowing for a serene meditation experience. Selenite is perfect for creating a peaceful and clean energy space for your meditations. Number 4. Labradorite is a mystical stone known for its protective and grounding properties. It enhances intuition and creates a safe environment for deeper introspection. Labradorite is excellent for those who wish to protect their energy while exploring their inner thoughts. Number 5. Finally, we have rose quartz, the stone of love and compassion. Its gentle energy opens the heart chakra, promoting self-love, empathy, and emotional healing. Rose quartz is ideal for meditations focused on healing emotional wounds and fostering love. These 5 gemstones, amethyst, clear quartz, selenite, labradorite, and rose quartz, can significantly enhance your meditation practices. Each stone offers unique benefits to help you achieve greater peace, clarity, and spiritual growth. Incorporating these gemstones into your meditation routine is simple. Hold them in your hand, place them on specific body parts, or arrange them in a grid pattern around you. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Ready to deepen your meditation practice? Explore and find the gemstones that resonate best with you and your meditation needs. Each stone can help you unlock new levels of tranquility and insight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on enhancing your spiritual practices. Happy meditating!